Okay, so let's get into this grinder stuff. I am going to go ahead and use everything that I'm showing here to make my slaw that goes on top of the meat and cheese. Alright, so I started off with some mayo, some red wine vinegar, I added some red pepper flakes, and then I added in my onions and also some spinach. I went ahead and mixed it up, and after I mixed it up, I said, hey, let me add in some more spinach and some more onions. Alright, so next I added in some crunchy Giardiniera vegetables, and I went ahead and added some Submarine oil as well, and just mixed that up, set it to the side, boom. Okay, so now I am going to go ahead and grab my sub rolls, and I'm putting these on a foil pan so that once I add the meat and everything, I can just toss those in the oven. So we did use some hard salami and also some smoked turkey. Alright, so I added some American cheese and I tossed them in the oven just to let everything get nice and toasty. And I'm adding the salt to the top. Alright, you guys, I did forget to add tomatoes. I'm putting tomatoes and added some salt and pepper to the top, and boom, here we are. These were so good. They was definitely a little bit different. Added some fries and a pickle to the side, and you have a whole meal.